Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to share the recipe of ela ada. It's a steamed rice cake and has a sweet coconut filling. Look at it friends, this is so soft and aromatic and tastes delicious. You'll get the banana leaf flavor and takes it to the next level. Without further ado, let's get started. Firstly, I have soaked in 1 cup of raw rice for 3 hours. Grind it into a smooth batter using enough water. I have grinded it in a mixer grinder, so this should be the texture of the batter. So add in water accordingly. Batter will be little loose consistency like this. Once the batter is ready, you can prepare the ela ada immediately. Add in salt as needed to the batter and mix well. Keep it aside and I am going to prepare the sweet coconut filling. Ela means leaf, so the banana leaf plays the main role for this ela ada. Cut it into a round shape or square shape as per your wish. These are the main ingredients for the filling. Take 250 grams of jaggery in a pan. Add in half a cup of water. Cook it in medium flame so that the jaggery melts. Jaggery is melted and I have stirred it and added back to the pan. Boil the jaggery nicely and you would see many bubbles forming. Now add in 2 cups of freshly grated coconut. Give it a mix and add in 2 tablespoons of peanut powder. In goes 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. Cook it in medium flame and you could see the mix is thickening. Add in 2 teaspoons of ghee. Salt it and the filling will thicken gradually. Switch off the flame when you get this consistency. Sweet coconut filling is ready now. Take a banana leaf and pour in a small ladle of rice batter. Spread it slightly using the spoon. Add in the filling to one side of the batter. Make sure the filling doesn't touch the corners of the batter. Fold in the banana leaf. Ela ada can be prepared using rice flour as well. But ela ada will be so soft when we make it with the rice batter. Heat a steamer and place in the ela ada. Steam it for 15 to 20 minutes or until done. When I opened the lid of the steamer, the aroma of banana leaf just fills in the kitchen. You could see the banana leaf has changed its color. Ela ada is ready to be served now. Do try this soft ela ada and share me the feedback. I will show how it looks inside. Look at the texture of the ela ada. This is so soft and tastes delicious. Subscribe my channel for more recipes like this. I'll see you next video. Until then, bye bye and take care.